Hello everyone and welcome back to another IronCAD video. Today we'll be continuing our IronCAD series where we're designing a linear bearing. Today we'll be designing the third part, the top plate. This is a very simple part. We'll be able to bring out an extruded block. We'll adjust the total length to be 6, the total width to be 6, and the total height to be 0.5. These are all in inches. And what we'll do is we need to add 16 10 by 24 UNC holes. So what we'll do is adjust it to a number 10 size. So number 10 size would be 0.19, and we'll adjust the total height of this hole to be 0.25. So this hole will give us some extra material on the other end. We'll bring up the tri-ball. This part is a quarter inch, 0.25 inches from the bottom edge, and there's another quarter inch from the right side. So this is where we have our starting position. And what we'll do now is we'll create 4 rows of holes. So we'll create the first row. So we'll bring out this hole here to be 2 inches from the previous hole. And then we'll select these two. We'll open the tri-ball. We'll bring the tri-ball to the middle here. And we'll mirror. So this will give us our first row of holes. So 2 inches between. And then for this middle section, it'll be 1.5. Great. So what we'll do now is we'll bring this back to the middle. We'll select these holes here. We'll come to the middle. And we'll bring this up 1.5 inches. So we'll copy 1.5 inches above, and what we'll do now, that gives us our second row. We'll open up the tri-ball once again, and we'll bring to this middle section here, and we will mirror. So this will give us our second row. So this will give us our 4 rows of holes, or 16 holes. So from this section, we can check the measurements. From this hole to this hole will be 1.5. Same thing from here. This hole to this hole should be 1.5. And then because the total length is 6, this middle part here in the middle, it should be, yes, 2.5. Wonderful. So what we'll do now is we go back to the scene. We'll name this to be top plate. We'll give this the material. Let's go to here. We'll give this will still be aluminum 6061, and we'll just adjust the color just a little bit. We'll make it a little bit more gray. Yes, okay, make it gray like this. And what we'll do is we'll go to the linear bearing assembly catalog, and we'll drag this into the catalog. And we'll save it once again. We'll go to linear bearing, top plate, hit save. We'll save the catalog, and this is the top plate. Thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you in the next IronCAD video where we design the pillow block.